Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting everything ready and taking the first actionable step. Wash your hands with warm water and dry them completely to avoid dilution on the strip. Once done, insert a new test strip into the meter and load the lancet. Make sure the strip expiry and meter battery are good. This prevents false results. You do this now so the device is calibrated and stable. It saves time and reduces repeat pokes, which matter for accuracy and comfort. You now collect the sample and perform the core measurement. Prick the side of your fingertip with the lancet, and once a drop forms, bring the strip to the blood. Don't smear. Apply about 0.5 to 1, 0 microliters. The meter usually signals when it has enough. Make sure to keep movement minimal during the countdown because motion can disrupt the chemistry. After the meter displays mg/dl, note the value and the time. This helps track trends and informs. You finish by logging the result and cleaning up. This closes the loop and makes future decisions easier. Enter the mg/dl value, time, and whether you ate or exercised into your record or app. Dispose of the used lancet and strip in a sharps container and wipe the meter if needed. If the number looks inconsistent with how you feel, repeat the test with a new strip, check battery and expiry, and wash hands again. This simple troubleshooting fixes most anomalies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.